Guys, welcome back again. So today what we're going to do will be I'm going to use the Ultra, and this is the stainless steel vacuum coffee mug that I received. This is how it looks like. There is a tapered edge on the rear down here. So what we do is we're going to do the curve engraving. All right, so I'm going to engrave around this area down here. That means from the top all the way to the edge down here. So we will see how it's being done. So I already fixed. So basically I'm using a chuck. So these are the chucked, so they are right in there, but just to make sure that they are the rubber, the edge aligned onto the edge of the rim on the tumbler down here, then the steel mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the RA2 Pro to the Ultra. So there is an alignment down here. If you actually take a look at the machine down here, can be able to see that they are the edge. So basically what you need to do is you need to align them. Just align them. Once you align, we will actually attach the image onto using the camera function, and we're going to use the curve feature down here. So after we attach the image onto the tumbler down here, right? So the next thing is, as usual, we need to actually auto measure it by clicking this icon down here. So this will be to measure the height of the total of the tumbler, and then thereafter what we'll do is we'll actually take an image. This will be the image icon down here, right? So to make sure that everything has been in order, then the next thing will be I already put in all the measurements, the size of my tumbler, and do make sure that is actually onto the chuck using the rotary attachment down here. So I just want to recap the feature, the version that I'm using right now. It's at version down here is 2.3.7. This is the version that I am using right now. So I'm going to use IR. The fiber dot is 180 down here, the power is 90, the DPI is 440, and the bitmap mode is Jarvis. Alright, so everything has been set up. So the next thing what I'm going to do will be I'm going to start to do the framing. Alright, so once I click onto the framing, we'll move on to the tumbler. Right, so I move into the tumbler down here. So what have I done? I actually put a pencil mark on top of the dot down here, all right, just to make sure everything has been onto the highest spot of the tumbler down here. Then I'm going to click onto the framing. So right now you can remove my device, and we will see. There you go, you can be able to see, and then there is a dot down here. So when it reaches the dot, it will goes back. So we will start the engraving by sending the image over. So the file actually has been sent over to the controller down here. So I'm going to start the engraving by pressing the green bar. So there you go, it's actually starting to engrave. So we will see the final results when it's done. Will come back. Has been done. So it took about 8 minutes or 9 minutes or so. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to remove from the chuck. So this is the look of it, and then I have the cover. So this is how it looks like. So I see you in the next one.